In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can tie different styles of the trending ZARA hair tie apart from just the basic ones. And for the length of the hair tie I used, it is 65 inches long and 23 inches wide. For the carton, it is 15 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Just ensure you get a strong carton.
You place
Now,
the
there's
paper at
something
the
you must
center
take
of
note
your
of before you
scarf and you're
start
going
tying
to
your hair
roll
tie.
it like you see me do. After you have rolled it, please ensure that this part that is smooth like this is the part that rests directly on your head. If this smooth part faces up like this, you will need to use your hand to stick it in for it to get the ZARA look. But this sticking in will not last, as a little pull will just take it all up and your ZARA will just be ruined. So ensure that this smooth part sits directly on your head, while this open part like this is the part that sits upwards. That way your ZARA look will just come out at once, and ensure that it sits very close to your eyebrow. So we are going to be starting with the basic look first. After I've wrapped my paper, I'll place it on my head very close to my eyebrow like I said, and I'm going to tie it at the back firmly above my hair that I have packed. I'll pick one of the tie like this and I'm going to roll it over the other, and when it is exhausted, I'll take the second one and roll it over the one that I have rolled, and whatever is left, I'll just stick it in. Ensure you stick it in firmly. So this is what it looks like. You would have a lovely rose look at the back and a beautiful ZARA look at the front. If you would not want a rose look, after you have tied it up, you are going to tie it again like this. Then you are going to take this one and you stick it in like this. This one will not give you a rose look at the back, but it definitely gives something nice. You can see the difference between the first look at the back and this other one. Ensure you stick in the part that is not tucked in very well. The next tie, after you have tied it, you pick one of these. You are going to slant it into the side of your ZARA like this. Ensure you are sticking this very well. Do not be afraid to stick it in. Then the one that is left behind, you are going to just roll it on your hair like this. I do not have eyes on my back, please. That's why I did not stick it in very well. But please do well to stick yours in very well at the back. So this is the look of our second styling, and you can see that it is giving the vibes. The third style, I will lose the bun at the back I rolled on my hair, and I will just flip it at the top of this one I slanted like this. Okay, and I'm going to stick it on the side like we did for the first one. Okay, and you can see what we have. It is giving the madam look, Alaji wife. So this is just it. You just have to be creative around these things. That's just how this ZARA stuff work. Now for the next style, you would have to push it to the side like this, and you take the other one and you just stick it into the side like this. I'm going to be having just a side slant on this part and a straight stuff on the other side. For the next style, you would have to loosen everything and you would roll your paper by the side, not at the center of your tie. Roll it at the side. One part should be very long while the other should be short. So after you have rolled it in, you place it on your hair like this. I've already explained how you can get your ZARA look like this when you are placing your tie. Now to get a close part on your hair, do well not to roll the paper very well if you do not want the center of your hair to be showing. So after I have tied it in, you can give it a slanted look if you want to have a slanted ZARA. I'm going to spin it like this. You can mix it up with a black fabric to just spice it up a bit when you are rolling it. So after I have rolled it up like this, I'll take the part that is left at the side and I'm going to tie it like this. Tie it. If it's too firm, it will squish. So just tie it just good enough that it will hang, and you stick in what is left into the cap like this, and you can see how it came out last. You can decide to leave it like this, or you can decide to take it a little bit close to your eyes like this, or you can also style it up like this. But for me, I prefer putting it at the center. We'll have to be using the hair tie like this, one part longer and the other part shorter for the rest of the styling that we'll be doing, so I'll not be losing everything. I'll be using the longer side like this. For the next style, you take the shorter one and you are going to stick it in like this. Then you are going to take the longer one and you are going to slant it over the shorter one you have made to give you a side slant, and you're also going to stick it in. When you are sticking this in, you have to stick it up firmly. Whatever you are sticking it into, stick it firmly so that it will not be losing and it would stay. So you can see it came out nice. This is for the side V.
Then for the next tie, you leave it like that. The one you just stick in, the shorter one, you stick it from the side. You twist the longer one and you place it on it like this, and you go ahead to stick it in. I'm sorry guys if I'm not using the right terms. I just hope that you are getting what I'm saying from the video, right? For the next tie, you just wrap the shorter one on your hair first. Then you roll the longer one on it like this, and this is it. You can see that it came out really nice, and this is like the easiest. Thank you for watching. If you try this out or if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Bye.